Hi viewers, welcome to HMS Tech Tip. Today I will talk about how to change download location of Microsoft Edge. Before I start the video, please subscribe the channel and give a like to the video. So let's get into the video. At first you have to go to the settings. So click on the three dot, go to settings. So okay, here you can see a lot of settings option. You just go to download option and here you can see location. So this is our download location now. So you can see that ask me what to do with each download. So when you will turn it on, it will always ask you if you want to save a file or open it without saving. Whenever you click to download something, they will ask you if you want to save it or open it without saving. So as I don't need it, I'm turning it off. You can turn it on if you want. And you can see show downloads menu when a download starts. So if you turn it on, when you click to download something, there you can find a file here. It will show you that your file is downloading, I think. So to change your download location of Microsoft Edge, you click change. So here you can find all your files. So suppose I want to download all my files to common file and then select folder. All your downloaded files from Microsoft Edge will be saved here. So or if you want to select any drives, suppose I want to save all my files on D drive. So I am clicking here. Suppose I want to save it on this file. So select folder. And you can see here our download location has been changed and it is D drive and then Riyadh Hassan. This is my name. So this is how you can change the download location of Microsoft Edge. I hope this video helps you a lot. If the video helps you, don't forget to give a like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.